Welcome to JZ Graphics. In this video, I will teach you how to create rounded cylinder text in Illustrator. Let's get it started. First, create new file with these dimensions. Go to the Type tool, and type your text. Select all, and change its case to upper. And here, I am using the Go Bold font. Right-click on it, and choose Create Outlines. Right-click again, and ungroup them. Then hold the Alt key, and create a copy of it. And press Ctrl+D for duplicates. Select all, and press Ctrl+G to group them. Go to the Reflect tool, and hit Enter. And hit OK. Again hit Enter, and set its axis to horizontal, and hit OK. Now, open Symbol panel. If it's not there, bring it from the Window menu. And drag the text to it. Create a circle using Ellipse tool. And change its fill to outline. Go to the Effect menu, 3D Classic, and choose Extrude and Bevel. And follow my settings here. Go to the Object menu, and click on Expand Appearance. Right-click on it, and ungroup them. Double-click on it, select the Magic tool, and select black color. Go to the Edit menu, and click on Cut. Press Ctrl+A to select all, and delete it. Again, go to the Edit menu, and click on Paste in front. Select Text, and apply darker shade to create a depth. And it's done. If you have any questions, you can ask in the comment section. Subscribe to my channel, and hit the bell icon for more updates.